Now I do have my mind made up of what I wanted to buy. I'd seen this floor lamp last time I was here and I want to go back and pick it up since I'm back in Perth.
I know for so long already. That's why.
It almost feels like you want to just move into Ikea and just live in some of these rooms. It's absolutely lovely the way they've designed them and can give you real inspiration. I think my lamp would look absolutely lovely in here. So I'm just in Ikea up in Perth and I thought I'll just come in and have a look because there's always some really cool things in here. This is a nice little lounge area that got set up for ideas for your home. It's quite lovely, so I thought I'll just come and sit down here. I think it's time to go and have some lunch now. Head to the restaurant. So I've got a cola and Swedish meatballs. Yum. So now that I've finished a bit of lunch, I might just have another little quick look around here before I head down to the checkouts. Well, there's some nice Christmas decorations and ornaments up this way. Oh, so much furniture to choose from, you don't know where to even start looking. Get your ideas upstairs and you come downstairs to the warehouse section of the furniture and you come to pick up your piece down here.
Yeah, that's true.
So just as I paid for everything at the checkout, the fire alarm went off. So everybody had to evacuate the store. So, yep, had to take everything out of my trolley because I couldn't take my trolley down the stairs, and you couldn't use the elevator. So managed to sort of get everything in the car and off we went. So I don't know if there was an actual fire or something triggered off an alarm somewhere, but yes, everyone had to leave. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me if you like this sort of content. It's not very often I get to go to Ikea because it is like 5 hours away. But I enjoyed my outing today, and I hope you might join me in my next video. Okay, bye for now.